Hey! What's this? Yeah, that's fine. Hey, I'm a Girl Scout. Would you like some cookies? Yeah? Hey, you want some cookies? Hey. I want some cookies. No.
You have any chocolate chips?
I got bonbons. I don't have chocolate chips.
This is called BMX wagon. Come on, you're fat, you know. You're sorry I ate that quick. Brandon, you can't take it that far. Oh my God. What? I think I just peed my pants. Go! You're stuck. Oh jeez. Don't eat. Oh jeez. Oh God. You fat junior boy! No, don't make me do a wheelie! You're fat! No! Oh jeez. No! Come out! Oh my God! Look what you did, you jerk! I'm sorry! You jerk! Dude, Bobby, cut! Get off the TV! Bobby, are you really scared? Okay, Brandon, tell us what you're gonna do, okay?
No, not yet. Cut.
No, dude, it's already going.
I'm not doing it yet.
Dude, it's stupid. Come on.
I'm like Little Skeeter 9, Andrew Giddy's 11 friend, and I'm just gonna go down the slide. I'm just gonna go down the slide. Here you go. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Oh God. Yes, this is unsteady. You know. Oh my God. Oh God. Oh, cut! No! Oh God, no! Okay, cut. Ow, seriously.
Okay. That was Stupid Stunts Take 1. Back.
If I try to grab that stupid table! Oh God!
Oh.
You're supposed to... Jesus Christ! You did it! You suck at skateboarding! I have the worst skateboard skills! Oh! Stop, Robbie. Hi, this is me and the cookie lady. Don't do that. I think you're kind of gay. She has bought me a pack of Grandma's chocolate chip cookies, so we're good now. And just to show her that I appreciate her so much, I'm going to take her a ride in the wheelbarrow.
Okay. You got to yell at me. You should really not do this. You should really gap at your wheelbarrow. Yeah, so where are we going? Yeah, where are we going?
It's okay. Are you ready? We're going to ride through Fairyland.
Yeah, fairies. Hey, fairies.
The guy in the red shirt.
Oh, fairies, look. Fairies!
No! I told you to give me some Girl Scout cookies! Why?
Okay, this was the first extreme video by Andrew Giggity.
And Little Skeeter.
Dude, stop talking over.
I don't give a crap.
This is the end.